What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be looking at my trades on the NASDAQ 100 today. Today I made 4 trades on the NASDAQ 100. 3 were losses, 1 was a win. It basically recovered all of my losses from today, but overall I'm still negative on the account. We're going to be continuing trading these strategies, and hopefully at some point that should bring me to the point where I actually pass this challenge and become funded and actually make some withdrawals and actually do all of that live here, because you can actually see the legitimacy of this account, right? So the first trade, and I'm doing it all on the daily candle because you know that's what I'm trading on. Both of the trades, based on my strategy, was telling me take it to the sell side, take it to the sell side, right? So those first 2 trades were just sell side trades. I had my stop loss set, and where I got hit out, I lost around $19 and $19 on others, so around $40 total on these 2 trades. So you can see, let me actually remove this indicator that I had created. So on this candle, I entered both to the downside from last night. And this was at actually a good level where I wanted to enter, because if I was to get it to the downside, I would have only risked $20 to make any amount of money that would have been made during the day. But since the market went against me, I lost that $20, right? So I entered here and then I got stopped out at 15,341, 341.19. So I got stopped out there. Total risk of around 20. This was the stop loss for the next trade as well. So this I actually entered at 15,321.52, and that was the second trade, 0.52. That was the second trade where I entered a little lower on that, because I felt high conviction about this trade today. Following my strategy, I thought it would have went down. It actually invalidated what I was looking at and played to the upside. So I got hit out, which is fine. So the next trade now was a trade of a loss of 5, and I entered both of these trades at the same time. The only difference between these trades was the risk to reward. So I had a different stop loss on each of these. One stop loss was 350, the other one was 355. So it's funny that one of them got knocked out while the other stayed in. So you see that one had a stop loss of around 5, the next probably had a stop loss of around 10 or 7.5. And since we're trading on the daily, it would have been on the same candle, and I entered this one at 15,365.37, 16,365.37, and you'll see where I got hit out somewhere down here at, you can actually just use the close price since I know I got hit out at the stop loss. That was at 15,354.67. So that's where I got started out for a loss of 5.35, and I actually stepped down the risk or the volume size to 0.05. So that's what gave me this loss. But even though I stepped down the risk, you can see that just by the movements, I was still able to make 53.49 on the next trade. So we can keep that as the stop loss that I had there. But the next one I entered at 0.57. So a difference of 0.2 on the entry, but it's relatively the same time. You can see it happened within 3 seconds of each other, right? And then I actually, where I closed this trade out, it was on the same candle, of course, at 472.55. So closer to the top of this candle is where I closed it for a total profit of 53.49. What I was seeing here was like a little reversal in the day. I had a bias to think that, all right, the market pushed up that much this morning. It had a little reversal. We're still going to close higher because we already broke above this level. So I'm thinking, all right, we're going to stay bullish for the rest of the day. We might close bullish, right? We still close bullish at a net profit of 53.49. What does it look like? Based on the strategy, I should be going to the upside. So I actually have a buy side trade right now, but I also have a smaller sell side trade as well. So we'll see how that plays out tomorrow. Based on the strategy, buy side tomorrow, I have a total risk of $10 to $20, and we'll see how that goes. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can see the strategy is kind of fleshing out, and I'm not very anxious. I'm not taking a lot of trades because I can't, because it just doesn't make sense based on the strategy to take a lot of trades, because on the daily there are just not that much opportunities. You're either wrong, right, or waiting, right? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.